In today's video I will show you how to apply same effect to multiple clips on CapCut PC. Bring all clips you want to apply the effects to, one by one, to timeline, or each clip to separate layer if needed. Select first clip on the timeline and go to adjustment menu on the right side. Apply desired effect. After applying effects to first clip, look for the apply to all option at the bottom right of the adjustment menu. Single click on apply to all to apply same effect to all clips on the timeline. If there are specific clips where you don't want to apply a certain effect, you can adjust them individually. Move playhead to the start of clip you want to modify. Use Ctrl+B shortcut to cut effect layer at the current position. Move playhead to the end of clip section where you want to remove effect. Again, use Ctrl+B shortcut to cut effect layer at the current position. Select section of effect layer you want to remove and delete it. Review timeline to ensure that effects are applied correctly to each clip. Make any further adjustment as needed.